The sun rises in the east in the morning and sets in the west. Every day human beings experience the same. Day after day, the sun rises in the east in the morning. People treat it as a matter of start of a day. Sun rises in the morning. Then here there is a light and shadow. Would you like to say those things in the light, or you find some lessons in this part, shadow? Seems like Jesus is now giving a message to him, but if you're careful enough, if you're sensitive enough to feel, you come to recognize some sort of different interpretation. Seems like he's not sleeping meaningfully. Is he counting the coins? What it is in this purse? There are coins here in it. In Germany, people think he's Matthew. Then, traditionally speaking, in Italy, this young man is Matthew. There's some different interpretations of the picture. Matthew was a tax collector. Matthew collects money from Jewish people in Judea. And those coins, those are not coins for drinking. Those coins were collected from Jewish people. This picture is essential. Simultaneously, this is some sort of tricky picture. People misunderstand how they feel, how they interpret. So, very much carefully, you need to be artistic, and artistically you need to be sensitive enough. The balance is necessary to feel the essence of the thing in the picture. Talking of the first impression, you feel what you get, especially in your heart. Then usually people have their stereotypical imagination. Then now you are appreciating this one here, then precisely, accurately you are feeling some different things. Did he speak a lot to Matthew? How do you imagine that Jesus Christ was telling a lot of holy teachings to Matthew? Then he was persuaded by Jesus to be one of disciples, or Jesus said only one word. To feel vocation is such a thing. You have one word to be persuaded. You have one word to wake up yourself spiritually. You don't have to have a lot of words to wake up. To receive vocation is such a thing. In my suggestion, you don't have to have any concrete knowledge of Michelangelo. What I'd like you to have is just a experience of feeling, imagining, based upon the experience of feeling, then you find a way to be beautiful yourself. And this is quite a dynamism of art. You find a way to be beautiful yourself through touching, experiencing the beauty of arts. What is the relation between the two? Having trauma and becoming artistic. This is a very important question. Then usually artists have trauma in their hearts.